Shwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela. Ke Ophis Divisional Forest Officer Dfo Jaiñtia Hills Wildlife Division Jowai, mynta ke sngi ke Rakhe ke taïew Wildlife Week Celebration ar-hajar ar-puar, ha ke jingïalang bala pynlong ha ke Community Hall Raliang West Jaiñtia Hills District. Ya ke jingïalang ha ke ni ke sngi la pynïaid do ba Budnah IFS Divisional Forest Officer Social Forestry Division Jaiñtia Hills, ha ke jingdonlang u kongsan u SM Sahai IFS Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Biodiversity and Wildlife, Baru Chief Wildlife Warden Meghalaya P.K Agrahari IFS Conservator of Forest MNE Meghalaya Shillong, kum usembut kongsan, Umar Parien Chairman ka Khloo Blai ka Langdoh Ionglang, udoloi ka Elaka Raliang Langdoh ki opisar na katay katanat lembat kinong hikay. Hagani ka sngi la samru ya ki khusnam, siya ki khana school ki bala job ya ki jingïalang Extempore Speech, jingïalang tho essay, bat ka jingïalang drodur halor kapang, Safe Habitat, Safe Wildlife. Hakaju kapor la samru ya ka khusnam, siya ki tu ki nong pelaj emi ki merat, da ka ba ki la lej IT siya ka Ophis Dfo, ki ba kuntop hadu arpuwengut na West Jaiñtia Hills District, bat henriungut na East Jaiñtia Hills District, bat la pelaj ru ya ka kot jong kani ka tanat Khloo da u kongsan.
Pensenyang tu ke, em kata responsibility dia, em kata jingkin klik, yang we po we buru nong chong chong yang ke, riyong ni, yo miyau yang ini merat, miyau yang ini pelang dua minggu jadi, bisa jingin mupera pera jadi, Khloo kejam. Tapi kita tahu ke history, short history yang ini ke in Wildlife Week celebration. There were other objectives, the main objectives kita yang kata Wildlife Week celebration. Kami kita yang kata the main objective kata your create awareness kami chairman legacy. Like today we have gathered here to share our whatever knowledge we have from each and every speakers. You'll be hearing lots, you'll be getting lots of ideas. Now you'll be jingmut upera lagi people who speaker or kelaman tu. Tapi kita tahu kita jadi chairman legacy thong yang kata open siang tu, you perlu jingmut seperti yang ini. Bagaimana you leh, bagaimana ki contribution ke jingga kencau kenango ki pena wanra yang ni protection, yang ni jingda, conservation, jing penek, yang ni jing yang pera ha. Hasla kanda, perthai.
And this dependence is not only for forest or plants without wildlife, but including the wildlife. If there is no wildlife, we have just the plants, still we cannot survive. These animals, they help in pollination, they help in seed dispersal. Even the elephant, it helps in seed dispersal through its dung. It eats many grasses, etc. And through its dung, it propagates the seed. And finally, the new shoots come. And they germinate. So though we are not directly seeing these things happening, we should realize that these wildlife, the wild animals, and the wildlife in general, which includes plants and their interdependence also, they are very, very important for all of us to survive and grow on this planet. Now I can tell you there are many countries like America, which we consider is to be the most developed in the world. You cannot see lion and tiger in that country. You will not get today. We are fortunate to have such big pets like lion, tiger, clouded leopard. Though we lost cheetah initially in 1952, but we are still, very fortunate as compared to many other countries which are called most developed countries. So we should keep on, maintaining this fortune of the country and to have more benefits by depending on nature, including wildlife, in a much more big way. Now there is another theory that humankind or man, we have been thinking that animals are below us and we are like a king and they are like a subject. That is not the correct theory. The correct theory is that they are equally important like human beings, if not more. They are also a part like we are there on this earth. So the thinking that everything is there to serve humankind or to serve us is totally wrong.
Representatives of two community reserves with us, and so that it's a very important event today. So much has been said about wildlife, importance of wildlife conservation. We know each and every species has its role in ecological balance of nature, and making efforts to conserve them is basically making efforts for our own good, because our own existence depends on the existence of wild flora and fauna. So this initiative of community reserves, I will request at this juncture that this word should spread to other parts of the state also, so that more and more people, more and more communities come on board to join hands with us for this cause of wildlife conservation. And about the teachers and students, this is so heartening to see the young generation being present here. As somebody has said, that taking steps to but we know that conservation efforts of the government will be futile if it is not supported by the community, especially in the state of Meghalaya. So in this context, a very important initiative of bringing on board communities in the conservation efforts for the wildlife of the state was, since few years back, we started declaring certain areas as community reserves under the Wildlife Protection Act, whereby government and communities join hands for protection of wildlife in the respective areas. And